Hey guys, it's Isabel back with another collaboration with Fidm Fashion Club, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your own scrunchies. This project can be done in 15 minutes or less with or without a sewing machine, so keep watching to see how it's done. First off, you're going to need your basic sewing notions along with elastic and your fabric of choice. Any type of fabric will pretty much work for this project, so you can definitely get creative with this one. Start off by laying your fabric flat to mark and cut the length to be around 18 to 20 inches with the width at around 3 to 4 inches. You can use a ruler to help guide you. With the fabric you just cut out, hem the sides. I just folded it over once for a 1/4 inch hem. After sewing the sides, fold over lengthwise with the right sides facing in and sew along the bottom to create a tube. Next, measure and cut the elastic needed. You can use a hair tie or wrap the elastic around your wrist to help you figure out the length. Taking a safety pin, guide your fabric through the tube to have the front side of your fabric facing out. Next, guide your elastic through the tube using the safety pin. Make sure you hold on to that end of the elastic so it won't slip through. Once the front of your elastic reaches the end, sew them together. Lastly, you're going to connect the scrunchie together by tucking in one side of the fabric inside the other and then sewing right across it. Scrunchies have been around for decades and can be considered a staple accessory that you can use all year round. Once you make one, you're going to want to make several more like I did. If you would like to see more DIYs like this, be sure to check out the links down below at fashionclub.com. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial, and I can't wait to see what kind of scrunchies you guys will create.